Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at some of the craziest moments on the road. From reckless driving and ignoring traffic signs to out-of-control trucks. Each clip in this video serves as a reminder to drive carefully and protect yourself and others. This is like a movie. It is hard to believe that it actually happened in real life. After this incident, many people will probably call the cyclist ambassador of luck. If you were in the situation of the car driver, what would you do? Share your thoughts with us. This is an extremely risky move that can result in serious burns, scalp injuries, and even death. Remember, fire is not something to be trifled with. Even a small mistake can have dire consequences. No, oh my God, there's nothing we can do. This accident not only destroyed the car, but also threw the entire city into chaos. The lesson is clear: slow down, pay attention, and never drink and drive. Your actions while driving can save or destroy lives. Oh my goodness! Landslides are often caused by heavy rains, steep terrain, or geological activity. A thorough investigation is needed to determine the exact cause in this case. What do you think caused the landslide here? Share your thoughts with us. Oh my God, this is a very serious incident. Fortunately, there are no reports of casualties, but the property damage is not small. In addition, this incident also poses a risk of environmental pollution due to fuel and other fluids from the truck leaking into the river. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. We'll continue to bring you more fun and informative content. Stay safe.